In the heart of the Dakhiliya Governorate, Nizwa's agricultural villages are buzzing with activity as wheat harvesters roll throughout the fields. After 4 months of meticulous care, the harvest season is in full swing. Across 140 farms, which cover more than 120 acres, the wheat fields are yielding an abundant harvest, promising a prosperous season for local farmers. Technical support from agricultural departments in the region has significantly boosted this farming season, leading to higher production levels. The abundant water supply has not only allowed for the expansion of cultivated areas, but also facilitated the introduction of high-yielding, disease-resistant crop varieties. Modern farming systems also play a crucial role in transforming agricultural practices, paving the way for a more booming season. This year, wheat farms in the Wilaya of Nizwa are celebrating a bumper crop with an impressive output estimated at 140 tons. This robust yield has inspired local farmers to double their production efforts in the coming years. Wheat is not only vital for food security, but also crucial in reducing reliance on imported wheat, strengthening the region's agricultural resilience. صالح بن خلفان الرحبي، ولاية of نزوة الداخلية، Governorate.